Tired of juggling multiple apps to manage your PNC Bank account and wish there was a simpler way to connect them all securely? Well, today, we're going to show you how to link your PNC account with third-party apps using Plaid, making your financial life easier and much safer. First, open the app that you want to connect to your PNC account. This could be a budgeting app, a payment platform, or any other financial tool that uses Plaid. When you're setting up the connection, the app will likely prompt you to link your bank account. Look for a button that says Connect with Plaid or Add Bank Account. Now you'll see the Plaid interface. Search for PNC Bank in the list of banks or use the search bar to find it quickly. Enter your PNC online banking username and password. Make sure you're on the official PNC login page within the Plaid window to keep your information secure. PNC will then likely ask you to verify your identity through multi-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to enter the code they send you via text or email. Now, you can select which of your PNC accounts you want to link to the third-party app. Check the boxes next to the accounts you want to connect, like checking or savings accounts. Review your selected accounts and confirm the connection. Once you've done that, you'll see a confirmation screen indicating that your PNC account is now linked to the app via Plaid. And that's it. Your data will now start flowing to the connected app.